All right, guys, we're up here at the Bass Pro Shop. Let's see what these guys have here. Let's see, we got some Federal right here. We got a Herder's 20 gauge right there. 28 gauge, 2 3/4, $16.99. 22 LR high velocity is 22, $10.99. We got some 7.62. It's good. What else we got? 223 Remington 55 grain full metal jacket, $13.99. All right, 223 Remington. Got the 5.56. Oh, we got some 300 blackout right there, $24.99. All right, let's see what else we got. Some old Blazer right here, which I don't use that kind. 22 long rifle, $4.99. 50 rounds in that boy. If y'all need to just pause the video, just pause the video. Check out what they have. All right, 12 gauge, 3-inch, $19.99. 12 gauge, 2 3/4, $16.99. They got plenty 12 gauge ammo. There we go. We got some 40 Smith & Wesson right there for $29.99. A lot of 40 Smith & Wesson. 40. Look at that. 44 Remington Mag, $69.99. Don't hardly see that out here. There's some more 44 Remington right there, back there, the Remington. Oh, the first one was Federal, my fault. And the second one was Remington. Then you got your 22 Thunderbolt. Don't use that. That's that CCI right there, 22. Looks like it's $22.99. You got your 9mm rounds right here. Different brands right there. Pretty good. Look at that. You got your 30 Super Carry right there. 100 grain, full metal jackets. Look at that. 1,250 feet per second on that one. Alright. You got your 450 Bushmaster right here. 6mm. Another good one. Hornady Black 6mm Creedmoor, guys. Got that right there. Got your 308 Winchester. $69.99, 168 grain, more 308. They always have plenty of 308, guys. Plenty of 308. Now check that out. Look at that. Right there, guys. 7mm. Crazy. 140 grain. $44.99. Got your 380 automatic, 95 grain, full metal jacket, $32.99. Look at that. 10mm, guys. 10mm. Got plenty of it now. Usually you don't see that 10mm up here. You have it though. You got a bigger box of Herders right here, 9mm, 100 rounds, 115 grain, full metal jacket. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. You got your big box right here, guys. A lot of people like that on the channel. The 500 rounds, 9mm Luger, $169.99. And I'll do the math on the video and let you know what that is per round on that one. But 115 grain looks like full metal jacket.
300
Huh?
119.
Oh, I thought he was doing the calculations for me.
No. I was looking to see what they got.
I said he's good, man. He done did the calculations already. All right.
It's 230 grain now. That's not bad. 230.
22 LR, 300 rounds, $33.99. Bigger box. All right. Got some more 22 LR ammo right there. We got the 9mm ammo right here, guys. Remington, it looks like 20 rounds for, what is that? $30.99 it looks like right there. Got your streak ammo. Excuse me, guys.
Yeah, you're fine.
380 right there, guys. 6 sour, 100 grain full metal jackets for $34.99. You got more 300 blackout, plenty of 300 blackout ammo, guys. Winchester, you got Sig Sauer, Hornady, the whole line. You see the prices right there. All right. All right, you have your, let's see, 3006 right here. Look at that. Plenty of 3006 right there. Look at that. Never hardly see that right there. 180 grain, a matter of fact. Different brands. 300 blackout Raheem. So we got 300 blackout, 200 grain. You get, looks like you get 20 rounds for $24.99 on that, guys. Usually it is cheaper per round when it's bigger.
used to have a bucket like that of 22.
You got 500 rounds right there, guys. Winchester white box, 9mm Luger, 115, $179.99. So that might be a good deal right there. All right. More 9mm. You got your 45 auto right there. 45 auto, $24.99. American Gunner. Alright.
That's 500.
Looks like they put some 12 gauge down there at the Tungsten Turkey. 45 auto Blazer. That's the price. You see it right there. Alright, more 45 auto at the bottom. We have 410. Look at that, guys. 410 is here. $39.99. Crazy. There you go, guys. All right, 556 big box. It looks like a 556. That's the price right there. It's that Herters, and I believe you get 200 rounds with that, guys. All right, keep going. 357 Magnum. Interesting. $34.99. 158 grain. Wonder how many you get with that. I'll check that out. It's probably a box of 50, I believe. Possibly. We'll see. 38 Super. There you go. 38 Super Auto. 158 grain. $47.99. 38 Special right there, guys. 50 rounds you get right there. 38 Special Plus P, a matter of fact, $34.99. And that's 125 grain you get right there. Alright. 6.5 Creedmoor. For them rifle boys right there. Got plenty different brands on that one. That you can get in that. Those are the prices. 6.5. And you got your 308 right there too, and those are the prices there. What you get. Then you get your 223, it looks like right here too. 150 rounds. And I believe that's the price right there, guys. So, looks like that's what they have right here. And they have a lot of ammo out here today. Hey, how you doing? Good. Yeah, they got plenty of ammo out here, guys. So, plenty of ammo. To give you guys a better perspective, that's what you're looking at right there. All right, guys, so please like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so when I roll out the latest videos, you'll be able to receive them. And remember,
I'm not from this planet.